Hey guys, it's Vero here. Welcome to my channel, and if you are back and returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this defined and beautiful flat twist out. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I've stretched it. I've also used the Curl Love leave-in conditioner by Camille Rose and also some Jamaican black castor oil to hydrate my hair previously. So what I like to do is I'll do that step in the shower, and then I'll stretch my hair in separate little sections just to make sure it's detangled and stretched out, so it makes it a little bit easier to twist. I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Almond Jai twisting butter as my moisturizer, Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil gel, and I'm also going to be using the Hick's edges for my edges. Also, you're going to need a brush. I'm using my Denman brush, some clips, and a regular bristle brush. Now I'm going to start working on each section of my hair. I have 3 sections stretched out and detangled. I'm going to clip the back, and we're going to get started working on the front section. Excuse my mirror, it's going to be visible for most of the video, but I didn't realize that at the time. So now you can see my hair is nice and stretched out, and I'm going to start with the rat tail comb. I did do a curve parting right here, and I'm just demonstrating that to you. You could actually style the front however you would like, but just use the technique to get the flat twist if you want your parting to be different. Here I'm just starting off by doing straight parts going across, and I'm gonna brush the hair out just to make sure it's free of tangle. That's very important. And I'm gonna take my moisturizer, add a little bit, and spread it throughout the hair. You want to make sure that it's evenly distributed because you want your hair moisturized. That's going to really help the curls pop when you do the twist out. Again, brushing it through, just making sure the product is through. And then I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel and just brush it towards the front. I want this part to look really, really neat. So I just apply the gel front and back, and then I run it through, not all the way through the hair, just the front part. And then I'm just going to do a close-up here of the twist out. The best way I could explain is you start piece by piece. So I'm going to take 2 little small pieces, and I'm going to start twisting them. And as I twist, I'm going to go backwards. And as I twist, I'm going to grab a new piece of hair using my index finger like so. And as I sweep the hair under to the other part, I'm just going to keep doing that same motion. It takes a little bit of practice, but I promise you guys, if you just keep at it, it took me maybe 2 or 3 tries to actually get my first twist properly. But each section, as you use your index finger as a guide to split the hair, and then you're going to twist almost like a cornrow, but you're just twisting the hair one after the other. And I'm just going to keep this going slow motion just so you guys can actually see the amount of time that it takes. It's not a long process at all once you get the hang of the actual flat twist. And I hope that this is close enough that you guys are able to see what I'm doing. I also want to mention that you can twist your flat twist going forward if that is easier for you. I prefer doing it backwards just because I like how it looks. The one advice I would say also is to make sure that all of your twists are going to be going in the same direction. So if you start twisting backwards how I am, you have to make sure all of your twists are going that same direction. If you do them forward, just make sure the back is also going forward. It's going to make a difference in how your curls fall. I find that it looks neater and more put together if you do them all going in the same direction. Alright, so as I'm coming to the end here, I'm still twisting at the same pace. It doesn't take long at all. But once you get to the end and you've run out of hair to flat twist, you're going to actually just twist the end like a regular 2-strand twist. And I also make sure to add more moisturizer towards the ends. You want to make sure your ends are sealed. That's going to make a big difference as well in the look, to make sure that your ends are sealed and moisturized. So that way when you undo the twist, they're not all frizzy. This part is optional, but I do add just a little bit of gel at the end to make sure that the curls twirl. Once I have it all twisted, I just take that last piece and I go ahead and twirl it around my finger. Pretty much it, guys. That's how you do a flat twist. I am going to continue to show you guys how I do the rest of my hair as far as the parting, but I am going to speed it up because we'd be here all day. All in all, the process took me about an hour to do. I believe if I wasn't filming and trying to show everything, it'd probably take maybe 45 minutes. After I finish the 3 twists in the front, the back section is split in half, and what I do with the first half on the left side here is I curve the parts going backward, and then you could split this however you would like, and then we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to brush it through, and then we're going to moisturize it and add our gel, and then we're going to go ahead and flat twist. So I went ahead and finished the rest off camera, but basically I ended up with 5 flat twists on each side, and they come together in the middle like so. So you could put this together and twist it up and wear it as a hairstyle. I am not gonna do that. I just spray it with a little bit of water and add some edge control and just kind of smooth my edges a little bit more, and then I tie my scarf and then I go to bed. The next morning is the takedown. I do my makeup, then I use the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. I just put that in between the parts, and then I rub a little bit between my fingers so when I take down the hair it won't be frizzy. So I just start with the back, and you're just gonna unravel the twist piece by piece. And the cool thing about the flat twist is once you're unraveling the twist, they really are already separated. So unlike a twist out, you don't have to do much separation. The separation is already there. so right here I'm just going to show you guys in real time how I unravel the twist piece by piece. If done properly, the twist should just come apart fairly effortlessly and you shouldn't have any problems at all, and your curls should be popping. That's it, guys. That's how you get a bomb flat twist out. You can stop here, or you could take a pick and fluff it out a little bit more, which is what I like to do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you next time.